Lopez and I am a student at Wake Tech in their automotive program. Me as a student that came from not knowing much to now knowing a lot more, I love it here. I actually got a job within the 2 first weeks of school here just by being in the program itself in the industry. Since I get to use the skills here from school that I learn and that our teacher lets us know, I get to use them at work, right after school. And then that prepares me even more to what I want to accomplish later after school. Being a female in a mostly dominant male workforce as well as industry, it makes me feel empowered as well as proud to be one of the few that actually starts off to then later encourage and be an example for other females to pursue what they really want. To not be scared of getting their hands dirty or to not be scared to be outlier in the mostly dominant male industry. Because typically at work, I'll get told oh, you want me to help you? And I'll be like, no, I got it. I can do it. And then I do it. I want to start my own shop someday, maybe within 3-4 years. And hopefully it's all of this, it'll add up and I'll take that with me, ready on to start my own. To come to Wake Tech, I would definitely let them know that it is a great place to start. It might not be as many people think, oh, it's a 4-year university. It doesn't matter if it's a community college. You're getting the same education, you're saving money, you're gonna be learning it on hand. You get to experience it, and here at Wake Tech, it opens you many doors. Because that's how it happened for me. It opened me the doors to the industry itself, and I got in it. I would just like to encourage those people that want to get into the program itself and into the automotive industry to go for it, not to be scared, to not either be discriminated either by gender, and that's it.